Just got some new sneakers, Vapor Air Max Plus. I'm gonna tell y'all why they're the hottest sneakers around. So y'all already know how we do it. Let's get right to it. Roll camera.
Enlightened creature here, ain't no man that I'ma fear. Godly and I hardly fuck with peasants. Go and fetch my beer.
What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks, the headwear connoisseur, streetwear lover. Y'all know how that goes, man. Welcome to my channel, Cooler with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion, all in the same sitting. Now, with that being said, if this is your first time tuning in to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and while you at it, go ahead, drop a comment down at the bottom and let me know that you're a new subscriber, and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. Now, with that being said, y'all seen the title down below. Let's just get to these sneakers right off the bat. I ain't even gonna waste y'all time. Roll camera. All right, what's good, y'all? I got these joints over the weekend. If y'all was paying attention to my IG, which y'all could go check out right there. It should be showing like right there. I just grabbed these Vapormax Plus. I've been hyped to get these joints for the longest. The only problem is I never had the opportunity. I had the opportunity to get these joints. I just didn't get them because I was too busy buying other joints like that. Like I was buying other shoes. Like these sneakers are fire, but I was holding them off for some reason because you all know that my collection is like super colorful and everything. But I had to get an essential piece. Even though I do have some essential sneakers, I just needed this. I don't have an all black on black joint, and I needed some, and I've always wanted to get these. I wanted to get these joints, and I was holding them off because you all know that the breads dropped this past weekend, the 11 breads that dropped, then Travis Scott dropped, and I tried going for those. I tried going for both of them, and I took an L on those because I was actually a little pissed, but it's all good. I'm not even tripping about that no more because that just gave me the idea to go and get these. So shout out to the sneaker guys, man. But back to these joints. These are crazy. I love the triple black colorways. My favorite one to have this and another one, which is my favorite colorway, is this one right here. It's the orange one. Look like the tiger stripe, man. These boys is fire, but when it comes to these, like I wanted an essential shoe just so I could have something that's gonna blend with a lot of what I'm gonna be wearing. You know, when you get colorful pieces, you only have a limited amount of things that you could connect your clothes with and everything. Your attire is only certain pieces that you could collect it with, but I wanted this to connect with a lot more of what I'm wearing. And you could wear these with multiple type of styles that you have. So it could be streetwear, casual, you could do your menswear style or lifestyle fashion. You could mix it up in a number of ways and you could still be fashionable. So whatever type of style that you want to fit it in, this is like the chameleon of everything. It just blends a lot with everything. Plus, it's really stylish. Now, you know that essential sneakers, they usually are plain. Like for example, you have your Nike Air Maxes, and you know mines are all white and it's just like a plain silhouette, but here they give some grave detail on here. So you can check out the bottom. If you look at the bottom, it look like definitely like these sectioned off air bubbles that's in here. It's crazy at the bottom of the sneaker, and yes, it does hold you up. Now, a lot of people was asking about this when it came to the MX 720s, and it's pretty much the same thing here. This whole entire bottom sole is a whole bubble. It's really a complete bubble up on here, and I think this is like one of the most comfortable things about this sneaker because you can actually feel that when you do walk in here. You gotta get a little comfortable because you feel kind of like the sections as you walk, but at the same time you still feel comfortable. It's soft for you to walk against the ground. Like the cushion that you feel as you walk, whether you're on like a hardwood floor, whether you're on concrete, whatever it may be, you'll feel like the cushion pushing against the hardness of the ground, which makes it really comfortable, and that makes it good on your knees. Now, another thing that I would say as like a precaution for those who want to buy these sneakers, if you do walk on like a rubber floor, or if you walk on like a wood-like floor or something that's pretty shiny and sleek and everything, these boys will squeak. That's one problem you might have. So if you in, I don't know, whether you in college, high school, whatever it may be, grade school, or you at work or anything like that, if you do plan on wearing these joints, and if the floor is, like I said, squeaky, if it's sleek, if it's rubber-like or anything like that, these boys gonna squeak. So you gotta be cautious about that. The next thing on here, like, it's just so many layers of comfort on here. Of course, we got this bottom. We have this midsole that's just going crazy at the bottom. Like, I enjoy this whole thing at the bottom. But if you look closer, you'll see that there's like another layer of comfort on this sneaker. You'll have like another like sense of cushion at the bottom, which is really soft. Like, I think that's pretty fire at the same time. So any moving that you have, whether you're doing like any activity on the field, or you running on a basketball court, you doing any type of active activity or anything, you still will have cushion all around this entire shoe. Now as we get to the upper, it's even better. So now it's like having a sock on here, man. It's softer. It's like this mesh soft cotton feel on here. Is really soft on here, but at the same time it still holds firm. So like I said, it's like putting on a sock. It fits to your foot perfectly. And the good thing about this is not like a leather type of sneaker. These boys don't wrinkle at all. So I think these boys are fire, man. These joints do not wrinkle at all. So you can do all the type of jumping. So if you in a gym, if you in a weight room, if you doing any type of running outside and you trying to run, you ain't gonna bend your sneakers, man. You're gonna be all good to go. Now we're gonna move to the front real quick, because you can see this 3M. You see these dashes on here? That's 3M. So when you are running in the street in the evening or anything like that, the closer it gets to being pitch black outside, as those cars run by, you still gonna be seen, because it's still gonna flash with that 3M on here, which is even fire. So moving to the side too. Now looking at this side, like I said, this is the triple black. So you see at the bottom is black. There's another shade of black here. It's like a small lighter shade of black, but when you get to this mesh-like material, it even gets darker. And then the best part about this detail on here is that this rubber-like material that's on here, it gets like wet black, like jet black wet. It looks like it's water on this thing on the side. So as you move and a light hit it, it looks like water on the side of this shoe with this black rubber, this jet black rubber like material on the side, which is so fire on here. Also, like you all know, like from seeing my 720 video, they had those ripples up in here, which I think is one of my favorite parts. It follows all the way along this sneaker, so you'll see like the ripples on here. But then as you get up, of course, it's like that liquid black rubber like ripple on here. And I think it's just the pattern on here just makes it even fire. So it's not a plain sneaker, it's not a plain Jane joint. It's like attention to detail is just crazy on here. Now you'll see on the inside of the sneaker, you'll see like the tongue is really soft. It's not a stiff type of tongue, so you won't have any irritation or anything. It's really soft. On the back, you'll see the VM. It look like this science element on the back. That's really fire. I really enjoy that. It's something small that sticks out, but it won't knock off any color. So you can wear orange, black, red, green, purple, whatever you're thinking of. You can still get away with wearing like any type of color, because this sneaker is more than completely black. Also on the back you have suede, so it's just like a number of different materials that's on this sneaker, which I really do enjoy. It's all different shades of black with each material that's added on this joint. So I think these are the most fire sneakers right now, especially when it's come to your style. When you want it, like I said, you can do it with streetwear, casual menswear fashion, or lifestyle fashion, which I'll be showing you all soon how to style these sneakers. You will actually love this, and people will actually love what you're doing when you match these sneakers with like different type of styles, when you mix it up, because you can wear it in so many areas. It's very diverse with this sneaker. Lastly, I would say like the price is the only thing that really is crazy. It goes for $190, and that's one of the things that hit your pocket. It's like yo, why bruh? These going for like what Jordans are. Like these with tax, they was 201 for me. So it's like, damn bro, like these hit, but it's well worth it. I mean, because you will get like the bang for your buck because of all the stuff that you could do in this sneaker. Of course, like be stylish, you could be lifestyleish, you could go to the gym, work out in this sneaker, and do all the things that you want to in this sneaker, and be really active without having too much wear and tear on here, and it still come out clean. But it's like, damn, that 190, it hit your pockets like crazy. And the size that I got is an actual 13. I got my actual foot size. A lot of people say like size up because it does fit like a glove, so it depends on how you want it to fit on your foot. It fits like a glove. So mine's, I wanted a size 13 because I'm more of this sneaker will be done for fashion. It won't be for anything that's active or anything like that. So it will be more so for fashion and walking around, and it's a really comfortable shoe. I've already walked around in this joint and it's fire. So I got a size 13. So shout out to the BAF squad. Y'all know how it is. I ain't said that in a while, but shout out BAF squad, big ass foot. Y'all know how it goes, man. Like I said, man, this is a really good shoe. It's a really dope sneaker, and I'm looking forward to like styling a lot of my pieces this coming fall and winter, man. It's gonna be one, man. It's definitely gonna be one. Y'all gonna see these a couple times, especially if y'all pay attention to my IG. So make sure y'all follow that down below, man, and make sure your pockets are ready, because that 190 is something else, man. Without any further ado, man, thank y'all for watching this video. If you have any comments down below, if you want to say anything, man, just chop it up with me. I appreciate my supporters, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me and always dropping comments down below. Let me know if y'all rocking with these sneakers. Like, have you got these? Let me know what's up. If y'all like this sneaker, do y'all got them? How do y'all feel about them? Are they comfortable to you? Will you be picking up these joints? And do you think, is it worth the $190? Let me know. With all that being said, man, thank y'all for joining, man. Thank y'all for watching this video. I'm your homeboy Camcorder Banks. I'll get at y'all next time. Y'all already know how it goes. I'm out, I'm gone. I'll holler at you. Peace.
Enlightened creature here. Ain't no man that I'ma fear. God